Good afternoon. My name is Erin Barkley. This is for Speech 106 with instructor Alicia White at Wallace State Community College. In today's persuasive speech topic, I would like to tell you about a place called Freeman Allergy Clinic, as well as the medical doctor who practices there. His name is William Freeman. Freeman Allergy Clinic is actually my employer, so I know it like the back of my hand. And I want to tell you how things that we do work there. I want to persuade you, if you or anyone you know have any seasonal allergies or any skin issues, I want to persuade you to come in and see me and see Dr. Freeman. So, Dr. Freeman has actually created an airborne antigen allergy immunization formula. What that means is there's no antihistamines, no steroids, no man-made chemicals, nothing that would conflict with any other medications in this formula. But let me tell you, this formula treats respiratory problems, eyes, nose, throat, lungs. It can also treat skin problems such as psoriasis, eczema, dermatitis, you name it. This formula can treat that. We have patients that come in from all over. I have patients from California. I have patients who have visited me from Iraq. I have patients from Georgia, New York, Louisiana, of course Alabama, and Florida. I mean, you name it, there have been patients that I have that have came to see me just for this immunotherapy. I have not personally taken it myself. I don't have any allergy problems, so I don't take it. But I do know how it works. We have an 86% rate for patients who come in there with these issues. They see a significant change within 2 to 4 weeks of starting this immunotherapy. Now, I know you're probably like, okay, Erin, you work there, so of course you're going to say it's great. But it is great. It's FDA approved. It's been tested by Johns Hopkins University. We have other doctors, other practices who want to get their hands on this formula so that they can use it as well. It is that good. It's amazing. I have patients who tell me, they come in there and tell me that their life is changed. They would not have been able to live as well as they have lived without this immunotherapy. So, do you know anybody who might possibly could use this formula? Do you know anybody who suffer from allergies? Do you know anybody who suffer from these skin problems? If you do, I want you to send them to me. Dr. Freeman has an office in Huntsville, which is the office that I run myself. I work there from Monday through Friday with the exception of Thursdays. We are closed on Thursdays, but I'm there all day, every day from 9 to 5:30. We're closed on the weekends and closed on all major holidays. Dr. Freeman sees patients on Monday and Wednesdays from 9 until around 12. So what you will do when you first come in, you will be seen by Dr. Freeman as a new patient, and he will test you for any allergies. Most people don't know this, but when you are tested for an allergy and you have a skin problem, it usually is caused by allergies. Most people don't know that. You don't know what you're allergic to until you come and get tested. And that's okay. But most of the time, I see patients who come in that are older than 50 years old, and they have just developed allergies, or they have just developed this skin problem. And when they come in there, their life is completely changed. Their life is completely turned around. They have a better quality of life because of this immunotherapy and because of Dr. Freeman. Now, Dr. Freeman, he is about 76 years old. So he comes in, he wants things done exactly how he wants to do them. He's not very formal, but he gets the job done. And when he starts to treat you, you will see a significant difference. Like I said, in 2 to 4 weeks, most of my patients come off of these shots after about 3 months and never have to get another one again. And if you do want to come in and get these shots and you say, well, Erin, I can't come in here 2 days every week, that's okay. We actually send patients home with their shots, and they can do them at home, and then they only have to come to the office every time they need a refill on their shots. So as I said earlier, I have an office in Huntsville, and we also have one in Decatur. There's an office in Fort Payne. There's an office in Florence, and there's 4 offices in Tennessee. So you have plenty of options to come and see this and be treated for this. And Dr. Freeman has actually treated over 21,000 patients with this immunotherapy since 1970. If that doesn't tell you and that doesn't speak for itself, then I don't know how else I can persuade you to come in and see me. So that is what I wanted to tell you guys about. I hope to see you soon. And again, call me and make an appointment. Let's get you set up and get you tested for an allergy and get you set up with these immunotherapy shots.